Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Laura and today we are gonna make this beautiful pair of earrings. You can customize them using the type of beads you like the most or the colors you like the most, or you can make it longer, whatever you want. But please show me the results, I always love to see your designs. Well, of course you can use the earring base you have, but I'm gonna use this type of hair. I think it looks perfect in these earrings. Cut yourself 40 centimeters of wire and insert this, I don't know how is the name of this thing, like the back of the earring, okay? Take it to the middle of the wire and insert 2 beads. Insert a 3rd bead and thread the wire through. Now pull the wire little by little, like side by side, this way, until you reach the other beads. Easy peasy, isn't it? Now insert 2 beads more and thread the wire through the 3rd bead. And now pull the wire gently until you reach the rest of the beads. Alright, one more time. Insert 2 beads. Easy step, and now thread the wire through a 3rd bead. Pull the wire gently, just like so, and all done. All you have to do is to repeat this as many times as you want. So once you're happy with the length, you have to insert 2 beads, because remember we started with 2 beads, so we finish with 2 beads. And just in case you want to make it like mine is 4 centimeters long. And now all you have to do is to make all the way back to the butterfly earring back. I think that's the name, just let me know in the comments. So we can just finish it and make it stronger. So just insert the wire through the beads we have on the sides and thread the thread through the one we have in the middle. Be gentle when you pull the wire because you can break it, and if you break it now, you will probably have to repeat it. Basically because it's not gonna be strong enough to be used. Here you can see how we have like a double wire here. That's why it's stronger. It's quite easy to break 1 wire, but 2 wire is more difficult. Actually, you don't really need to repeat this until you reach the butterfly, but I don't know, like 2-3 times is gonna be okay. So once you're happy, cut the excessive wire and just add a nice earring base, and that's it, very easy. Remember, you have to make another one because you have 2 ears. I know you know, but just in case. Well, what do you think of mine? I think they are really cute and I love them so much. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the bell to be notified every time I post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember, stay beautiful, smile and be very happy.